Hey guys, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, we are on episode 12 of the Five Below $5 inspired perfumes. I told you I had a lot. So me trying to get these perfumes out and trying to do life, okay, it's a lot. So I thought maybe I would bring out the Paris Hilton situation, okay? So if you guys have been wondering, at Five Below, we have this perfume right here, which is the Paris Light Platinum. Have you guys wondered what perfume this is? Look, first off, look how big this box is. Good gosh. This perfume bottle is big, and this, whatever's in here is an dupe perfume. It's not a toilet. That means it's not toilet water, baby, okay? And it is 100 ml, which is 3.4 full ounce. This is what it looks like. So we're gonna unbox this girly right here. This one right here is definitely a dupe for the I wrote it down, y'all, the Paris Hilton Anniversary Edition, and the notes are similar and they are smelling good. So let's pop her open. These are $5 and they're very affordable, y'all. I have bought y'all so many, and I will try to link down my all of the perfumes that I have done for the Five Below. I will link it down in my description box, so please be sure to look down there. So this is her. She's really nice. The bottle is really, the box is really nice. So it's by Mirage, the brand. And when you pop her open, this is what she's giving, baby. This is what she's giving right here. She's giving, I'm cute. What is this? If y'all hear something, that's my heat that's on. So this is what she's giving right here. Let's see if I can put her here. She looks amazing. Let me turn this down just to, you see her? This is her. This is she. Now, if you was to look at the Paris Hilton anniversary one, you would see that it's giving this. The whole bottle is like this, though. It's really beautiful. I'm hoping you guys can see this. So anyway, the top, very beautiful, but plasticky. Girl, okay. On here, she's wider up the top and then she's slender at the bottom. She's very chic. She's very pretty. Honey, she's very sexy, okay? So this look like a mic. But anyway, let me go ahead and give you some notes for this is Paris Hilton Platinum. And the notes that's in here is where you at, baby? Where you at? Okay, well, actually, it's a floral, fruity fragrance, and I will let you know if it's floral and fruity myself. So the notes are apple, peach, and lily of the valley. The base notes is ylang-ylang, sandalwood, oak moss, and musk. And it is inspired by Paris Hilton Anniversary Edition. So before I get into this, I'm going to go ahead on and give you the notes to the Paris Hilton Anniversary Edition. That way you can compare the notes. The notes are similar, very similar, very similar. So the Paris Hilton Anniversary Edition notes, the top notes is red apple, peach, lily of the valley. The middle notes is freesia, mimosa, tuberose, jasmine sambuc. The base notes is ylang-ylang, sandalwood, oak moss, and musk. Inside of here, again, is apple and peach. The apple and the peach is in Paris Hilton's Anniversary Edition. You have the sandalwood, the oak moss, and the musk. It's all in there, okay? So let's go ahead on and give this girl a smelly. Let me see what she smells like. I already smelled it, I'm telling you. And baby, when I smelled it in the store, I was like, she smells amazing. So I don't have any perfume on today, so I'm going to go ahead on and give her a spritz. Let's see what the spritzer look like. Oh, she's a winner, y'all. Oh my god, she smells so sweet but kind of like fruity sweet. Smell a little bit of woodsy going on here. Y'all, I'm no perfume connoisseur, but I'm gonna tell you what I'm smelling, baby, okay? It smells woodsy, it smells fruity, sweet, and floral like. It smells floral, but a floral that I can get with. It's light though, y'all. It's not, well, I mean, it's not light like I don't smell it light. You smell it. And I do get her to last a couple of hours. I do smell the pear. Was it pear in there? Oh, was it pear? I don't know if it's pear. Maybe it's peach. I smell pear though. Why am I smelling pear? I don't smell peach. I smell pear. I smell pear, y'all. I don't smell peach. Maybe my fruits I had wrong, but it smells like a pear to me. I smell apple, but it's kind of like smell like a berry type of situation as well. Which I don't think they even have berry on here, but it's no, we have freezer mimosa. Okay, maybe the mimosa. Girl, this is sweet. You need to get this. This is nice, okay? This right here is nice. It smells, you can smell it. Like, you can put it right here, honey. I'm not even talking the bottle. You can put your arm here and you can smell it. It's like, come get me, girl. It's like that. It smells amazing. But if I spray it on my clothes, I know that it's going to last all day. It has to, or even at least 4 to 5. I was going to say 6. At least 4 to 5 hours, okay? Because the longevity is like really good. I mean, you can, baby, I smell it. And it smells like I didn't put it all over my body. I only put it right here. So it's not offensive though. Let's just say that it's not offensive. And guess what? It's $5. I wouldn't say $5 like that. Y'all know change, $5.55 or something like that at Five Below. But baby, let me tell you something. These Five Below perfumes that I have been reviewing during these episodes I've been doing, baby, they've been winners, okay? They have been winners. So please, I got that on my teeth. So please do not, sorry about that. So please do not sleep on these perfumes, y'all. I have some high-end. Well, I have a lot of high-end. But I also have some dupes over here. There is nothing wrong with some dupes, baby. Okay? Y'all see it. I have a lot of perfumes, but at the same time, I have a lot of, even down here, I have a lot of perfumes that are real, but I have a lot that are duping as well. Because, girl, I love perfume, but I'm not trying to spend all the big bangs on that, okay? Not those big bangs, okay? Because they are too big. And let me smell her again. She's still a winner. She's still a winner. So this is saying that it has peach, lily of the valley. The freesia, I do smell freesia. I do smell that. And that's, you know, that sandalwood is making it warm. That's what's making it. I love sandalwood, guys. I even have a oil over here that's sandalwood. Nothing but sandalwood. I love sandalwood because sandalwood makes it warm to me, which makes the floral part calmer. Okay, let's say that. So let me tell you something. She's a winner. This right here, she's a winner. She is a winner, y'all. Let me get a thumbnail. Or let me just hold it. I don't know how I'm going to do my thumbnail, but I don't know how I'm doing, y'all, but she's a winner, okay? So get your hands on her. If you like floral, if you like something sweet, if you like something fruity, if you like something that's woodsy like, but also I say the sandalwood is what's making the woodsy like, but and the musk, it's making it warm, okay? Because it does smell musky too, but it smells clean, fresh, like that. You know what I'm saying? Like clean and fresh. So if you want something like that, then the Paris Lights Platinum is the one for you. And like I said, it is inspired by the Paris Hilton Anniversary Edition. And the bottle looks like this. I will have the bottle up there. That way you guys can see it, okay? Because, honey, it's really nice. But anyway, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and get on out of here. But listen, this is number 12. Coming in at number 12. No, I'm not coming in at number 12. But this is number 12, okay? The 12 12th video that I have done, just in case if you have not seen my videos, y'all. This is the 12th video. Go back and watch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and I will put it down in the description bar. That way you can, and plus a lot of other videos of perfumes that I have reviewed. I'm gonna put that down, a whole playlist for you guys to go ahead on and watch it. And I need you guys to put your notification bell on, y'all. Put your notification bell on and subscribe to the channel, but make sure specifically that you push that notification bell. That way that when I upload, you will get a notification that J Baby has uploaded a video. Go watch it, okay? Because she has something that's very affordable for you guys. So don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. And also look down. I also will make sure that I put these inside of a little area where you can just click it, okay? Look down the description bar and where you can just click it. I'll try my best to tag Five Below. That way you can get it at 5 something, and you know, just if you want to order online. So that way if you go through it, my description, and you do it that way, you won't have to be looking it up yourself. You can just push it on it and just go ahead and pay and check it out. Or you can go and walk into Five Below and get it, okay? All right, guys, so I done said a mouthful. All right, guys, so be blessed and not stressed. Mwah.